Sharkeisha. It says, Dear Tim and Moby, what is the biggest star in our universe?
Beep boop bop boop.
Well, first, Sharkeisha, let's start off with how astronomers measure the mass of stars.
Beep.
You can wait, I was getting to it.
Beep beep.
Okay, so how we find a single star's mass is by the Hertzsprung-Russell diagram. How they do this is by the temperature and luminosity of a star, and they can pretty accurately determine the mass and radius of the star. But before that, we could only measure the mass of stars in a binary system, or a system where two stars orbit each other. Hold on, I'm getting there. So before Moby interrupted me, I was going to explain. How they did this is with a binary system. By measuring the size of the orbit, the star's orbital speeds, and orbital periods, astronomers can determine the exact mass of a star.
Bleep bloop blap blap.
That's right, Moby. Some people think that the sun is the biggest star. It may be us, but the biggest star is Canis Majoris. It is 1,540 times the mass of our sun, making it a speck of dust in comparison.
Beep beep boop bop.
That's right, that is huge, kind of like your head. Just kidding.
Boop boop bop beep.
Canis Majoris is so large that if we put it in our solar system, it would engulf everything including Saturn, which is very far out.
Beep bloop de blor.
But remember, we don't know all the stars in our universe, so Canis Majoris is the biggest star we know of.
Bleep bloop bleep blop bloop bop bop.
Scientists have actually calculated how large a star is allowed to get, which is calculated to be 2,600 times the sun, but it's only around 3,000 Kelvin, which is cooler than our sun.
Beep boop bop.
Canis Majoris is a red hypergiant. This diameter is 1.6 billion miles across. It's located 5,000 light years away from Earth. Although its size is debatable, size ranges from going out to Jupiter's orbit or Saturn's orbit if placed in our solar system.
Beep beep.
That's right, that is really big.
Beep beep.
To answer your question, Canis Majoris is the largest star known in our Milky Way galaxy.
Beep.
That is a lot of mass, Moby, and Canis Majoris is near the end of its lifespan and is expected to go supernova in the next 100,000 years.
Beep.
It's massive enough that when it goes into a supernova, there will be a black hole afterwards.
Beep bop boop bop.
No, it wasn't just discovered, it was actually first recorded by the French astronomer Jerome Lalande in 1801.
Beep boop bop.
No, it's much brighter than our sun.
Beep
Nope, it's actually 10 million years old.
boop bop.
No, my mom is not that old.
Bleep bleep.
Yes, it is a red hypergiant M class. For once you are right, but instead of Canis Majoris, it is known as VY-CMA.
Bloop.
Well, think that answers Sharkeisha's question for the largest star in our universe that we know of. Say bye, Moby.
Beep.